All eyes are on New York, where all world leaders will gather for the United Nations General Assembly session. Our team is now in Washington, D.C., tracking all developments, decoding India's global ties, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to the U.S., and much more. Our principal diplomatic correspondent explains Prime Minister Modi's visit, U.S.-India ties, and also talks to the Indian diaspora in Washington. Watch.
WION USA Direct from Washington, D.C. with Siddhant Sibal.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi is all set to visit United States. On the agenda will be his bilateral with US President Joe Biden, the first Quad meeting which will happen in person, and his address to the United Nations General Assembly. But above all, the visit will be about forging new geopolitical strategies amidst a changing world order. About celebration of India-US relationship, which has been billed as the most consequential relationship of this century. Follow me, Siddhant Sibal, from Washington and New York on Prime Minister Narendra Modi's US visit, only on WION. The Indian-American diaspora forms a key component of the India-US relationship. It is the living bridge between the two countries, bringing the two countries together. With me, a few Indian Americans who are here at the White House. So welcome to WION, and my first question to you is your introduction, and of course, how do you see Indian Americans not only playing an important role, but also in terms of bringing the celebration out of this relationship, something we saw at Houston rally as well.
I have been in the United States for close to 20 years, grew up in India, so I've seen both sides of the spectrum and really cherish the relationship that India and the United States has, from the beliefs that the two countries have and from the democratic experiences that the two countries offers to its citizens. Right? I was an Indian citizen, now an American citizen, so really kind of keen to experience the strength between the beliefs and the democracies of these two nations, one being one of the world's largest democracy and the other one being the world's oldest democracy.
His first term as Prime Minister of India, I've seen him improve our relationship with foreign countries dramatically. So I in fact do expect him to make great progress with President Biden as well, and continue and further grow the relationship and friendship between India and America.